Hi everyone, welcome to day 7. We are going to flow with grace. Today we are going to be doing sun salutations while on the chair. So let's go ahead, press our feet into the earth, feet are hip width distance apart, knees on top of the ankle, shoulders stacked right on top of the waist. Always drawing that belly in and lengthening through the crown of the head. We're going to start with an intentional breath with our eyes gently closed, breathing in and out. Again, inhaling, arriving here and on your chair, breathing out, setting our intention for flowing with grace. Breathing in and out. Well done. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them up. Let's go ahead and open up the arms. Breathe in. Exhale, take your hands to the heart. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. And then exhale, open them up. Okay, we're gonna do 2 more of those. Just getting the body ready. In and out. Inhaling. Exhaling. Breathing in and out. Inhale and exhale. Okay, for a sun salutation, we're going to take our arms up. We're going to take our arms down to the sides. And incorporating a little bit of Chinese medicine, we're going to press on the yang meridians of our body, pressing on the side and the outer lateral side of our body. We're going to breathe in here and then exhale, press down with the heel of your hands down on the sides of the legs. Breathe out. Very good. Now from here, we're going to inhale, come on up to flat back. Our hands are going to come up to the tops of the thighs, and we're going to engage our belly muscles, and I'm going to try to reach my chest and the crown of my head to the front while I'm sticking my tail to the back, but both sits bones are rooted into the chair still as best as I can, okay? Breathe in here. And then exhale, we're going to come back down. Heel of the hand, press into the outer side of the body. So that's the yang meridians. Now from here, we're going to take the fingertips onto the inner part of the thighs and the legs. And that's the yin meridian. So we're going to press on up. Tight, tight belly. Inhale, press up. Okay, see how I did that? And then we're going to roll the shoulders back and down. Breathe out. Okay, let's put it all together. Arms up, breathe in, touch. Breathe out, hands to the sides. Inhale, press, and exhale, come all the way down. Press, press, press on the side of the legs. Good. Inhale, come up to flat back. Tight belly, lengthen out. Tail sticking to the back. Engage the belly muscles, okay? Breathe out, press down. Now press the feet into the earth. Inhale, take your hands on the inside of the legs. Inhale, 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 pressing on the inside of the legs, the yin meridian, and let's go ahead and roll the shoulders back and down. Okay, do you feel like you've gotten that? Let's go ahead and rub into our lower back here. So lower back, love. Okay, now we're going to incorporate the little rub into the lower back. This is where our kidneys are, and according to Chinese medicine, our kidneys are the foundation of our body. So we're going to rub into this space. Give it a little warmth and love for this New Year's. Let's go ahead, arms up, breathe in, touch. Exhale, hands to the sides. Now we're going to bring it to the lower back and give it a little rub here. Keep on breathing. Little lower back love, little kidney love here. Good. Breathe in, chest up, and then exhale, press onto the yang meridians of the body, the outer parts of the legs. Inhale, tight belly, press into your feet, come to flat back. Good. Exhale, come on down, pressing to the outer edges of the legs. Inhale, press on the inside of the legs, stimulating the yin meridians of the body, and rolling the shoulders back and down. Let's do it again. Breathe in, touch. Exhale to the back. Rub, rub, rub. Nice little kidney love here. Good. Breathe in, and then exhale. Breathe out. Press to the down on the sides of the body. Good. Inhale to flat back. Tight, tight belly. Exhale. Come on down. Breathe out. Press into those feet. Inhale. The yin meridians come on up. And then exhale, release the shoulders. Again, breathing in, arms up, touch. breathe out. Rub, rub, rub into the lower back. Breathe in, breathe out, press down. You got it. Tight belly, come on up. We're flowing with grace here. Breathe in, exhale, come on down, breathe out, press into those feet, engage those belly muscles, press on the inside of the legs. In, and then out. Last one, breathe in, touch. Exhale, breathe out. Rub, rub, rub into those kidneys. Breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Press, 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 press. Inhale the flat back, tight, tight belly. Exhale, down. Inhale, come on up. Inside of the meridians here. Yin meridian, press, press, press. And then breathe out. Well done, everyone. I'm glad you were able to flow with beautiful, gracefully. It was just so wonderful. Did you warm up the body? Do you feel a little bit more in the flow? Are the outer and the inner parts of your legs feeling a little tingly, moving? The chi and the blood's moving. I'm glad you were able to share this with me today. I look forward to seeing you on day 8. Well done, everyone. Namaste.